Skurnik's tasting books have gone digital. We thought it was time to lose those big printed books and instead bring the tasting experience to your own phone or tablet. Using the digital tasting book is easy. Sign in with your trade account to take advantage of the features made possible by our tasting book going digital. For easy access, use the tasting code provided on your event confirmation email or find the code at the tasting. Tap the map to orient yourself to the room and tables. You can zoom in, zoom out, and tap any number to view the items being shown at that table. You can also explore tastings on the main tasting page. Tap any table to get a full list of what's on offer. Once you've opened a table, tap any item for more info. Find technical details for every wine, spirit, sake, and cider present right at your fingertips. Once you're on an item page, you can add stars and tasting notes, as well as create lists. Use the search and filter to focus your tasting experience by producer, attribute, price, and more. At your next tasting, quickly find the items that you've shown up for, build lists, take notes, and more. There are endless possibilities here. Our promise is that it's easy to get started.